How do toll roads work in northern Italy? It is actually very simple. When you enter the motorway, drive up to the machine and take the ticket. Keep it with you until you leave the motorway. At the exit, look at the signs above the toll booths. Choose the correct lane depending on how you want to pay: cash, bank card, or Telepass. Do not use the Telepass lane unless you have a Telepass device. Then insert your ticket into the machine. The system calculates how far you traveled and shows the amount you need to pay. Pay by cash or card, wait for the barrier to open, and continue your journey. And do not panic if you accidentally choose the wrong booth. You can press the help button and the staff will assist you. In our experience, the Italian system was clear, simple, and much easier to use than the toll roads in Greece.